colleague, the Governor of Tutu State, Honorable Atem Madud, my dear colleagues, the governors of Awili State and Gograni State and IBA administrative area, uncle, our veteran politicians, and the chairman of Mayajit community, Uncle Bona Malwal Madud, all protocol in place. The Mahir of Tweet Mayajit, good afternoon to all of you. I'm really pleased and privileged to stand before you today for this very wonderful gathering. This gathering is very inspiring to all of us. And I myself, as the chairman of the Northern Corridor Bloc, this gathering reflects and embodied our vision in the Northern Corridor Bloc, our vision that says a peaceful, united, prosperous communities of our various states. So let me thank you warmly, Tweet Mayajit, for this wonderful. Again, today as we are celebrating, we have just celebrated our Xmas and the wishes of the new year, that this year is a year of peace, as declared by our beloved President General Salva Kiir Mayajit. Peace is what we need. If the community of Tweet Mayajit is taking the lead and celebrating the peace, harmony, and unity of the community for the last 34 years, I think this is a very good milestone, not only for the people of Tutu State, also for its neighbors and to the entire people of South Sudan. I wish our people of South Sudan will one day celebrate a certain period of peaceful coexistence and unity among themselves, like what Tweet Mayajit did today. Tweet Mayajit has set a very inspiring example of them being people of peace, living together in harmony and unity. Yes, we are peace lovers. We need to take this experience of Tweet Mayajit to our other communities, to my state in particular, to Northern League. I wish my people of Northern League State will one day celebrate a very colorful celebration like what Tweet Mayajit did today. Another good, in spite of this, many challenges are ahead of us. And we need to confront them and face them with a very strong resolve. Our support for peace and our support for our president to go ahead with the revitalized peace agreement, our support will never waver. Because without peace, Tweet Mayajit for the last 34 years, people are still now talking of lack of development. And I've seen it. There's nothing here. And let us admit it. It is a fact that Tweed Mayardit need to be developed. Tweed Mayardit, at least, need to be given a very special treatment, as it shows us that peaceful coexistence of its people is in the top of their agenda. And I therefore concur with my colleague, Governor Atem, that people will discuss how best we can develop this beloved state, Tweed Mayardit. Wana, by the way, when I came yesterday with my delegation, the delegation that I came with is very huge. But why? Because I was going to my second home. Tweed State is my home. Whatever good thing that happened in Tweed State is my pleasure, because it will reflect positively in my state as well. فأنا بقول لكم يا شعب تويد مياديت، انتوا وريتونا حب بتاع السلام والوحدة والوئام بيناتكم. 34 سنة ما حاجة عادي. 34 سنة ونحن دايرين أن الحصل خلال 34 سنة to continue. This is a very good gesture from you. I want you to remain peaceful and united as you have been doing this throughout the last 34 years. And I want you to be an example للناس التانيين برضو to follow your footsteps. احنا في Northern Corridor Block عايزين شعب واحد، شعب that live in a peaceful coexistence. لكن still we are facing a lot of challenges. عندنا مشكلة واحد that is facing us. عندنا مشكلة بتاع ناس مجرمين. عندنا مشكلة بتاع cattle raiders. And let us all declare war against cattle raiders. As you might have seen, the huge number of the SSPDF officers that I came with, that the people ما بنوموا. لكن حرامية, they are having many tricks. Sometimes they are very intelligent, but our forces are vigilant. We will continue fighting this cattle raiding till we put an end to it. Whether it is our resolve as a Northern Corridor Block, as a Northern League State government, this is our priority. في سيف ده دارين شباب تاني يكونوا مع بعض، دارين شباب تاني يكونوا مع بعض في مراحات بتاعهم. وده شغل بتاع دعوة ترجم وكمرة ماتو كل جنب وكمرة مبيلوال to ensure that our cattle camps are safe من الحرامين. أنا ما بمشي كتير لأن أنا مبسوط because when your people celebrate peace